Welcome to the Austrian Pavilion. The vision of our architectural team was, and the vision and idea of this pavilion was to take, to be inspired by the Arabic wind towers, which have to be used here in this area quite well, and they adapted it in a new way. The advantage of this concept is that with this technique, we need up to 70% less energy compared to other buildings here in the UAE or worldwide. Our pavilion offers experience for all their senses. Like to taste, we have this wonderful coffee house where you can get great chocolate cake and coffee. For your eyes, we have the so-called scent table. It's kind of a meditation where you see a bowl painting pictures in a very beautiful way. To smell, we have the so-called pine cone. 50% of Austria are covered with wood, and there our visitors invited to sit back, relax, and smell Austria, but also to hear Austria. We have this so-called sound cloud cone, and the sound cone is done by a very famous musician in Austria. He covered and mixed like sounds from all over Austria. I really welcome you to come to our pavilion to experience with all your senses and be our guest. Servus in Österreich.